Welcome to this tutorial. How to copy hashtags on Instagram. If you're an avid Instagram user, you know how important hashtags are for reaching a wider audience. But manually typing out all those hashtags can be time-consuming and tedious. Luckily, there's an easy way to copy hashtags on Instagram, and we're here to show you how. Open your web browser. Type instagram.com in the web address bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Type your username or registered email in the first box. Enter your Instagram password in the second box, and then click on the Login button. Check and find any post on Instagram from where you want to copy the hashtags. You can also search for a post related to your topic by clicking on the search option on the left side. Type your search term in the box and click on a search result from the list. Scroll down the posts list and click on any post to open it. In the post's description details, you will find many used hashtags. Click and drag your mouse to select the hashtags. Right-click on the selected hashtags and click on the Copy from the drop-down menu list. Open the Notepad app on your computer. Press the Ctrl+V key on your keyboard to paste the copied hashtags. Now, select and delete the keywords from the Notepad that are not related to your Instagram post. This way, you can shortlist the useful keywords for your post. Select the shortlisted keywords and right-click on them. Click on the Copy option from the menu list and paste the copied keywords into your new post. Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.